Hi guys, good morning. Today I'd like to discuss more about the Python home tour, like the textbook tour. Okay, so as of now, I have covered till for loops, right? Like the last video is pass, break, continue. Okay, after that, I would like to show you how to read this book and all. Okay, how it will be inside the book. Okay, so this is written by Ashwant Kanatkar and Aditya Kanatkar. Okay, this is Let Us Python. Okay, yeah, this is the first page about others. Usually we're not going to see those things. Okay, see, these are the brief contents like introduction, Python basic, strings, all these things are available, right? So we'll go to jump into the first lesson, that is introduction to Python. Let us Python, what is Python, reason for popularity, all these things are like a bird eye view. It is like a high level viewing and all. So if you see this one, what is Python? Python is a high level programming language. So who created, all these things are available here. Okay, if you see the Python sets apart, all these things like powerful, ready-made stuff, easy to use. Okay, all these things are very beautifully designed in this textbook. Okay, so what is object oriented programming, procedural programming, event driven programming, all these things are supported by this Python, guys. Okay, so these are our like introduction till now it is Python basics. In this basics, again, what is Python, working with Python identifiers, Python types, all these things, blah blah blah, all these things are available here. Okay, so if you see here, working with Python in interactive mode, script mode, okay, all these things are available. Okay, now go to the identifiers and key factors, sorry, keywords here, like false, none, true, all these things are keywords. Okay, and now Python types, guys. In my first video I have shown you that what is a Python and what are the data types it is going to support. Okay, all these things are available here. See the complex numbers, true, false, boolean values, string related things, and all everything is available here. Now it is, if you're going to see, each and everything is illustrated. Okay, see, a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to 1 2 3 4 till 0, c equal to this number. Okay, this much length numbers also able to store into a variable. Okay, which is not supported by some of the other programming languages. Okay, and if you see here the variable type assignments, how to assign a variables, see here you can define like this, you can use a semicolon separator. Okay, now go to the arithmetic operators, arithmetic operations by division, all these things are available. Okay, now operation nonsense, so it is like double bys. Okay, it yields 3 minus 4, all these things. Okay, these are nothing but, this is nothing but floor division. Okay guys, remember that this class or this video is only for review of the complete what we called the Python. Okay, through textbook. Okay, and operations on modulo. Okay, all these things. Okay, now operator precedence, conversions, yeah, conversions and all, built-in functions. These are the built-in functions available, guys. I'll tell you once we'll discuss the functions and all. If you see here from this page onwards, he is asking to do some small exercises and all, like see, print 3 by 4, 3 mod 4, 3 double by 4, 3 star star 4, and their outputs. Okay, if a equal to 10, b 25 and all. Okay, w equal to a plus b minus c, x equal to d star e. Okay, y equal to f percentage g, print w x y. All these things, see, h star I. Okay, all these things are available in this. So this is the best book, guys. Okay, using the floating value operations. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 2j. Okay, this is complex number operations, use of boolean values and their outputs. All these things are available here. Okay, if you see here, the problem 2.3, it is like convert to int. Okay, the number string 485 is converted to integer and stored in a value. Like that it is, guys. Everything is good one. Okay, so if you want to do more examples, okay, go for this book. This is Latest Python by Ashwant and Aditya Kanatkar. This is one of the good book, and which is low cost, around 300 rupees cost, guys, which is good. Okay, see the next the programs and all small programs he made. Okay, and here the exercise here. Okay, if you see the first one, write a program to swap two values of variables a and b. You're not allowed to use a third value. Okay, you're not allowed to perform arithmetic operation as well. So in Python we have multiple value assignments are available. Like I told you, like a comma b equal to 5 comma 6, then it will automatically assign a value as 5, b value as 6, right? Like that you can do that. Okay, this type of examples are very good, guys. Okay, see this many of examples I have provided. So till f section, see here it is till g, and now in b level it is till f. Okay, now the third chapter is strings. I think I did not enter into the strings. I directly entered into the for loops. So I'll show you where is the for loop and all. Decision control statements, it is 39. Okay, so control statements, decision control instructions. Okay, see, I have shown you, right, the if condition. Okay, if condition, if else. Okay, and if elif else. Okay, all these things we did. Okay, so if you go to the logical operators, how it will be the logical and or not, all these things. Okay, I will show you. I will show you all these things in coming lectures. Okay, and see the conditional expressions. Okay, and problems. See the problems, quantity and while purchasing certain items, a discount of 10% is offered if the quantity purchased is more than 1000. If quantity purchase of items are input through the keyboard, write the program to calculate the total expenses. So it is nothing but there are some persons are going to, some customers are going to purchase some products. If those products price is greater than 1000 rupees, then they are going to impose 10% of the charges. So for that, this type of logics he is used here. Okay, if you see this one, he used all this stuff here, the logic and all, using if else blocks. Okay, to do tricky things with easy methodologies, go for this book, guys. This is very much best book as this one. Okay, another problem, if the basic salary is less than 1500, then HRA is 10% of the basic and DA 90% of the basic salary. If the salary is either equal or above 1500, then HRA is 500, DA 98%. Like that it is. Some calculated answers are designed here, questions are also designed here. It is good, guys. So see, so many examples. Suppose the four variables w, x, y, z. Write a program to check in multiple ways whether one of them is true. Okay, this one, or conditions. He is imposing and or not those conditions as well. Okay, these are the tips. Okay, flag equal to true, if else, all these things are available here. Okay, you can go ahead and follow this one book. Repetition control instructions, it is nothing but see, repetition control instructions, use of while and for loop, and then past statements, programs, exercise and all. Okay, this is how it is while. Okay, I'll discuss more about while in my next lectures. Okay, the for loop, for variable in list, colon, the statements, for else also there, I'll tell you that one as well. Okay, use of while and for, where we are going to use enumerates, I'll do that one. See, break, pass, continue. For that, the examples, see the examples and all. So guys, actually these are the good exercises are also available. Once you've done these exercises, you will be like you can able to solve any of the existing problems, guys. So go ahead and read the books, guys. Okay, rather than going directly into the system, first read the book and go onto the system. Okay, so this is the best book, guys, to this is the best book I'm suggesting you, guys. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you for your patience.